What is going on, my YouTube friends? Guys, today's the day, man, June 23rd. So we're going to take the Mach 1 down to Donnie Walsh Performance, and he's going to go ahead and change the resonator delete for me and get that set up for me. And then he's going to put the car in the dyno. So I'm not sure if he's going to let me videotape any of this or not. He might just send me home and tell me to come back. I don't know. But if he does, trust me, I will put you guys... I'll put it on here. So let me get over there and I'll bring you guys. As you can see, I took and dropped off the Mach 1 to Donnie Walsh this morning, D&D Performance. And it's not here. It's not going to be back until tomorrow morning. But what it is that he's got the car in the hoist. He cut the resonator off. When he put the resonator delete on there, he don't like the clamps, so he's going to weld it up. So it's going to take a little longer than what it's supposed to. So I took the day off. I might just go back to work, or I might work on the Fairmont. One of the two things are gonna happen, which I really probably should go to work, because I'm not gonna be able to go over and get the Mach 1 tomorrow. He says that he's gonna call me before he puts it on a dyno, so we can at least see it on the dyno tomorrow and check out the new exhaust. So this is what's gonna happen. When he calls me and I go back there, I'll bring you back. If I stay home and work on the Fairmont, I'll bring you back to see what I did to the Fairmont. And then tomorrow morning, we're gonna go get the Mach 1. Yeah, well, but it's tomorrow. Yes, it is, it's tomorrow. And I did stay home from work. Me and the wife went out to dinner, and then I come home and got a mosquito in here. Get out of here, mosquito. I don't know if you can see him flying around in the camera or not, but he's here. Make sure he's not biting my arm. So anyhow, we are up, and D&D Performance, they don't open up until 9 o'clock, and it's like 8 o'clock. So I'm an early riser. So, but I did work on the rear end for the Fairmont a little bit, and I did sand off the Bondo that I had up there in front on the engine compartment on the battery side, where the battery had rusted a hole there. I had a piece welded in there, and then I'm trying to get it smoothed out. So let's turn this around and see what we got done on the Fairmont. So the rear end is in, and it is pretty much centered. All right, there's still adjustments that's gonna have to be made. It's still gotta be tightened down, but the rear end is in, no jacks, nothing holding it up anymore. So I'm pretty good and happy with that. So we got that taken care of yesterday. And I have to say, it looks pretty good under there. Yes, it does. So we're getting all that in there and getting it all taken care of. And I'm gonna have a guy come over and set the rear end, the pinion angle, and do everything right. But until then, this is what we got accomplished yesterday. So let me show you what I did over here on the engine compartment. So it still needs a little bit of work right down in here. Get that smoothed out, but everything else is pretty nice. Oops, I'm sorry. Down here, I was looking at this, not through the camera. So I still got to clean this up a little bit better here and fill this in. But you're not gonna see this anyhow, but I'd still like to make it pretty nice, you know what I mean? Let's get in here on the inside and see. And I need to put another layer on here and make this look as good as I can. So I knocked all that off yesterday, and I gotta put some more filler in there and get that so we can get it cleaned up, but this is what I did yesterday. Oh, and this. So I cleaned all the surface rust around these, got that cleaned up, and over on the other side too, got that all cleaned up. So I'm pretty much getting ready to get this painted up. So I'm gonna try to get it done within the next week or two. And like I said, on the other side of this, I got some more filling to do and get it cleaned up. So that way I can start putting the front suspension underneath it once I get it painted, because I'd like to get that done before I get it painted. So anyhow, we have worked on the Fairmont. And I'm just waiting for Donnie Walsh to give me a call, which, like I said, they don't open up until 9 o'clock. So I'm guessing he ain't gonna call me right at 9 o'clock. That would be nice, but that's not gonna happen. But he's a busy man, so got to give him his time because we want it done right. So anyhow, when we go back to Walsh Motorsports, we will bring you back. Guys, we're down here with Donnie Walsh. You guys need your car work done, you need to get a hold of this guy. I'll put a link in the description down below so you can get in contact with him if you ever need anything done. Shelby's, Mach 1s, whatever you got, he can do it. Donnie, what's the fastest you ever been in a car?
In a quarter mile, we've run 366 at 260 or 214.
Wow.
And then we've in the quarter mile we've gone 566 at 261.
Man, that's crazy. The man, the legend. Guys, thanks for watching. I got to say that I like dealing with Donnie Walsh. You know what? He's personal with you. He's the one that talks to you. You're the one that talks to him. He calls you on the phone, lets you know what's going on, how he's going to do things, and this and that, make sure it's okay with you. I mean, he does a fantastic job. And I'll be honest with you guys, you're not going to get anybody that's more honest than a guy like that. You know what I'm saying? He's always right there for you, you know, and he's a busy guy. So it took him a minute to get back with me, but he got back with me. And he remembered me from years ago when we did the Wife's Cobra, you know. So anyhow, let's do a little sound clip of the new exhaust. I got an old sound clip of the exhaust with the resonator on there, but I can't find it. I hope I didn't delete it, you know what I'm saying? But I probably did. But anyhow, let's get this sound clip on here and we'll put this video together, baby. And I hope you guys enjoyed it because I'm enjoying making it. Hey, I just want to let you guys know you're awesome. And if anybody tells you any different, you tell them I said you're awesome. If they don't believe you, you tell them come see me and I'll tell them you're awesome. Have a great rest of your days, guys. And hey, gals, got an itch. Thanks for watching. And come back. Come back. Keep coming back. Yeah, buddy.